Hi, and welcome to the tutorial on how to grow your own sunflowers from home using our Seriously Green grow kits. Inside the grow kit, you will find everything you need to grow these. This is a fully biodegradable kit. Throw it in the recycling when you're done. This is your seed pack. This is your media. For specifically sunflowers, you want to take half a cup of the grow media out. This is the grow media we use in the farm here. Level that media out. Press it down so that you ensure it's even. Open your seed pack and spread your seeds out even. This will ensure they grow well. Pour your half a cup of soil back over the top. And level that out. Press it down. Now you're ready to water. It's about half a cup of water, spread evenly all over your grow kit. Put your lid on your grow kit and place it in the dark for 4 days to germinate. So after 4 days, this is what your grow kit should look like. Nice and humid, and you'll start to see some greens poking through the top. This specifically is wheatgrass, so it'll be different depending on your grow kit. This is when you want to remove the lid, place in a sunny location, water with about a quarter of a cup of water every day for 7 to 11 days. You want to rotate this about once a day. So after your sunflower microgreens have been in the light for about 7 to 11 days without the lid, they should look something like this. Nice and full and ready to eat. You want to watch for the hulls and pick them off, as these aren't edible. Now you have fresh sunflower microgreens in your kitchen. Enjoy.